Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is act. Here are some words related to the base word. Acted, acting, action, active, activity, actor, acts, enact, react, reaction. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. We have to act now to save the earth. The man told the court that he acted in self-defense. He loves acting as a clown. It is now time for action and less talk. Seniors should stay active and healthy. The street was full of activity. He won the award for Best Actor. He acts as a lawyer in the play. The government will enact new health laws. She did not know how to react to the news. She has an allergic reaction to plants. Now let's review. Acted, acting, action, active, activity, actor, acts, enact, react, reaction. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.